welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today we're making this really cool sweater and jacket card. It is so awesome and perfect for a well-dressed dad. It opens like this. Let's go down.
Okay, hi guys, once again this is everything we need for the card and let's get started. This sheet is 10 3/4 by 5.5 and we're gonna score at 4 1/4 by 8.5. On this side of the paper we're gonna mark 2 3/4 from the bottom and just 3/4 inches from the top, and I'm going to make a score line using my scoring board from this to here. Then I score. Right. So that's all the scoring you need for this card, and it looks like this. So let's put it together. So this is how this card looks. It opens this way and then this way. But we're just going to decorate the outside of the card here. So we're going to open here like so. And this is the layer. This is your first layer that we're going to leave just like that. And then we're going to work on this second layer here. This is the sweater, because this is a sweater and jacket card. So what I want you to do is I want you to measure 1/4 inches up here, or 1/4 inch I should say, then 2 inches, actually then 1 1/8, and then 2 inches. Then we're going to measure down 1 3/8, on both sides, 1 3/8. Then put your ruler at 1 here and straight across there, and then measure 1 1/8 here. Then you're going to draw a line from here to here, and then here to here. So you're just making your V for the jacket of your card. Right, so you're going to take your just the scissors and you're going to cut your V for your jacket. Now I'm going to put some buttons down my jacket, and I didn't have colored buttons, so I used these pearls that I had, and I just took a Sharpie, and you can color pearls. Take a Sharpie, stick the pearl on the paper and color it. So I'm just going to put some buttons down my sweater. So you see we have some dots there for buttons, right? And now I'm going to make a bow for this. So now let's put the card together, and I'm gonna put everything together and show you exactly how this looks. It's so cute, guys.
So much for watching while we made this awesome card for dad. Now this is a dapper dad, you know what I mean? Well dressed, perfectly put together, and it's just perfect for Father's Day. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.